Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be making a beaver trap. That's what I have behind me. I think this is like a raccoon trap or something. This thing is a good trap, but it's too small for beavers. I have it set up here. I'm gonna show you how this works. I step on this little thing. That back there trips this. Ooh, and they're locked in. Okay, so I'm gonna make that, but bigger. Quite a bit bigger. Let's get started. So I always keep some scrap metal laying around. This came as a frame for my wood miser. And so I just cut the end off. And it happened to be 2 feet. It happened to be 24 inches. And I didn't really plan to use it, but look at that. No welding included. So now I've got to attach that to that cage. So I just use pieces of this wire to put this together. It's a pain in the butt. Took like an hour. So there you go. Now I've got to take this, drill holes in it right where these wires are, and bend those wires up through there so that I can hold that on. I'm gonna get to it. Well, it's looking pretty good. The door, this door over here is one of these, has a spring on it. I don't want to do all that. Has a lot of moving parts. I don't want to do all that. See this spring action here? Oof. Hard to build. So I'm going to put a folding door on this. And I'll get to that and you'll see how that comes out. Okay, I wanted to show you, I have no hinges, so I'm just gonna make some. This is not the best way to do it, but I don't have a big piece of steel. I need a big piece of steel. Like a solid inch piece of steel that I could use. Drill a hole in it. Getting there. This has got to fit in here, so. I went a little too far, is what I'm trying to say. I just pushed it in there with the, okay. See how it's, this side is higher, thicker here than it is here? That means I need to tap this. I'm gonna put it in this direction so that I can see that easier. A good vise is very essential. This is thanks to my father-in-law. He's the one who gave me this fantastic vise. It's getting there. Close. Pretty great. Now all I have to do is get this pin out. Okay, now I have two. Goes like that. Easy peasy. And now I could go to the store and I could buy them. They would be better. And then I would be out $4 and I would still have, you know, my 15 minutes of time, except that it would cost, you know, it would take me 15 minutes to drive to the store. So I'm just gonna keep going on it because I enjoy building things. Okay, so I have these hinges mounted, and now I have to do the opposite hinge. I decided to do a strap hinge. So I'm going to cut off pieces of this and mount them on here. It should work okay. So this is the trap. I made a wood door on it. It might be a mistake. I tried a couple different iterations of this door. It was in two pieces, and I had it like folding in two pieces on a hinge, and every time I would trip it, that hinge wouldn't work quite right. Look at this little thing here. This is spring. It's an old spring that I had, and it locks this door shut, so it can't. See, it can't. He can't open it. So I just pop that. Ooh. So that's what that looks like. So I got this wire here, this crusty old wire. It goes to this. I'm not super happy with this weird mechanism I made. But, I mean, this thing works. Oh, what the heck? work too good. So there you go. Well, we're out at the pond. I set up the trap. It's right over there. That's the outlet. That's where the water goes out. So we're gonna go check that out. Need to rework this thing. It's a little sketchy. This is the cap over top of the pipe. Here is the trap. He comes in over here, goes through underneath the door, steps on the switch, and he is trapped inside there. Every night he comes and he piles all this stuff up. And I don't know, once a week I come out here and shovel it all away because it gets really high. He'll push it all the way up till it gets clear up here, if you just let him. So beavers are very destructive. It's coming on summer, so water's going to stop flowing here any day now. So anyway, house is looking good. Pond is looking pretty good for this time of year. Usually it looks just like that. Everywhere. Or like this, everywhere. So this year, I don't know why, but it's kind of nice. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.